Are you curious about how robotically assisted surgical systems work, or how prosthetic devices are created in a 3D printer? With a thorough grounding in technology, medicine, and science, the bachelor's degree program in biomedical engineering will teach you to use engineering techniques to address medical needs. Focus areas like medicine and natural sciences, electronics engineering, computer science, and many more offer a well-balanced and diverse education. Let's hear what our students say.
What I especially like about biomedical engineering is the diversity of the education in technology, natural sciences and medicine.
So what's great about this degree is the connection between electrical engineering and programming, but at the same time you get to learn about chemistry, anatomy and biology in detail.
Graz is green, open-minded and lively.
Packed with street art, bars and boutiques.
Interested? Head over to tugraz.at and apply for admission to the bachelor's program in biomedical engineering now.